Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you a very effective face pack or face mask that you get a glowing and pimples free skin. Also get a suntan free skin. So let's go. I told you how to make this face pack. At first I take Glam Flour and second step is coconut oil. If you have no coconut oil at your home, then you can use in the almond oil or olive oil. But I choose coconut oil because I thought coconut oil is the very effective oil for our skin. So friends, this is my ingredients. Then I show you how to make this. I am always tell you that please keep your skin clean after use this face mask or before use this face mask. This not every face mask if you can use this, please clean your face. My hand is already washed so I can use this easily. At first I take this gram flour I take on my hand and I take this 1 or 4 drops of coconut oil. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I don't make a bowl to mix it because these ingredients mix this way. So mix it like this types and now apply your skin. This face mask you can use all of your body, face, neck, hands, leg, all of your body. This face pack helps to maintain your blood circulation and also get a clean and soft skin. You should use this face pack before going to your bath or come back your home and outside. Just little bit massage, not very much. Try to massage 5 or 10 minutes and then wash your hands or face with a face wash that you use regularly basic. So I will show you after washing my hands. Friends, look how much glowing of my hands. After washing my hands get look like a soft and skin and also get a glowing face. Try this face pack 3 or 4 times or regularly in a week that get a glowing, soft and pimples free skin. So friends, this is my video. If you like my video then please subscribe to my channel.